My name is Michael Rees. I'm professor of sculpture and digital media at Paterson University. And I'm here today in an exhibition called The Speculative Object, Sight in an Asynchronic Age. This show was developed over a period of almost 3 years, and it includes works from students at Paterson University, students at Arizona State University, and also students and faculty at the Kansas City Art Institute. An element of the speculative object is this Google Earth installation, where students and artists have located their work somewhere in the world. So clicking on the name of a sculpture will transport you to wherever that sculpture is located based on the concept of each artist. So you can see it both on the wall and in the Google Earth application. These are all aluminum and bronze cast and then further patinaed. They were mostly robot carved or 3D printed. We used the facilities here at the Center for New Art at Paterson University. We're delighted to have the show.